see it before. Lavabo, it's you.
Me?
Him?
You. Steadfast Lavabo, dependable Lavabo. Sir Lavabo, I have a job for you.
What?
My queen, it would be an honor to serve you in any way that you...
No, nuh-uh, no way. Can you please excuse us for just a... What are you thinking? You can't send him.
Do you have a better plan, Squire? Because I have been waiting to hear one all day.
Me? Send me.
You? Marco, no offense, but it's gonna take more than a red belt to defeat Meteora.
You forget I have 16 years of experience fighting thousands of Hecapoos. Go ahead. Hit me with your best spell.
Marco, I'm not gonna fight you.
Weak!
Ugh, come on, Marco. I really don't have time for this nonsense. Strawberry shake weight!
Come on, Star. I said your best spell.
Neural blast!
Rude. My turn.
Not cool! Unicorn stampede! Sparkle Kitten, firework shower! Honeybee tornado swarm!
Is that all you got?
Spider with a top hat Okay, not bad, Diaz.
Told you. No, Star. My abs are not back.
Just checking. Look, just because you can take on my spells doesn't mean you can take on Meteora. I don't know if anyone can.
Your mom can. You heard what Eclipsa said. If she hadn't interfered, your mom would have beaten Meteora. I don't have to stop her. I just have to buy you time to find your mom and bring her back.
Okay, we gotta divide and conquer. You keep Meteora from reaching the castle while I go find my mom.
How are you gonna do that?
My mom is stuck in the magic dimension. I gotta go there to find her.
But that's where you lost your memory. That's really dangerous.
I know, but I don't have a choice. Okay, as acting queen, I order you, my squire, Marco Diaz, to do whatever it takes to stop Meteora from reaching Butterfly Castle.
I accept my orders.
Okay, well, then you get started on that order right away.
Hey, Star, you know, you don't have to pretend to be strong around me. I'm your best friend.
I need a hug. I'm really scared.
Yeah, me too.
Hello, Queen Butterfly. Dinner is served.
Great,
Yes,
Chuckin'.
thank you, friend.
Just a talk, bro.
Anyway, we did what you said. We got creative.
Good first try.
Can I go now?